this is Hero from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I am back with my project share for InLoveArts shop. And just look you guys, these are so beautiful goodies in here. And I am super excited to share with you all. Like how beautiful and like treat to the eyes actually. Right? Do you agree? So let me just start right away and I'll show you what dies I used actually to create that. Let me start with the first card I created. I think I forgot this balloon die in my room, but so this is the die I used and I created a seamline card. It's so beautiful and I love how it turned out, and it can be given to a guy, like it's blue and like it's super cool colors, so it can be given to a girl or a guy. Like it goes both ways, and I am so happy with the result. It's so simple yet it's so beautiful. So this is my first card. I actually cut this die cut from 4 different cardstocks, and you will see I actually cut these balloons from the different cardstock and pasted it here. This is a silver mirror cardstock. I hope you can see the shimmer. So yeah, that's that. The next one is my most favorite, this mini album, shaker mini album, floral. So many people asked me where I got this die from, and guys, this is from InLoveArts shop. It's super cute, it's super mini, and I actually created shaker in it, if you can see. Let me just come closer. So this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. I actually took off some ribbons from here because it was coming in my way, but I had like so many ribbons tied here and it made a mini album, 3-page mini album. I just love it, and you can use this as a embellishment as well, so it works both ways. So that is that. Another one is this 3 tag heart embellishments. So I created from this die set. I used 3 of them, and You Are My Sweetheart is also a die from here. It's right here. So I used this too, and these are from my stash. These are stems, and I created this cute love embellishments. These are very simple. They are popped up on pop-up dots, and I created this wonderful embellishments. Just look, you guys, it's so beautiful, and the shape of this heart is like so delicate. I love it. So these are the 3 heart embellishments I created from heart die. Coming to the next one is this one. So I used this die. It's a boy die. I actually cut this boy out because I wanted to use it for a girl album, and I actually die cut this tiny toes from the different colored cardstock, pattern paper, and I popped it up here, if you can see. And this baby die is from my stash, but just look, you guys. So it's not just for a baby boy, it can be used for baby girl as well. It's just you have to bring your own creativity out, and you can use it in any form you want. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to use this as an embellishment for my baby girl mini album, which is going to be ready by maybe end of August, I guess. I know it's a lot of time, but I have like 2 mini albums to make, so that is that, and I'm super happy with this result. Coming up with my next treat, so I have these 2 chocolate treats I created, and I am so happy with this die. And I actually put this wooden glass embellishments, a butterfly, and a love tag here. It's empty inside. You can fill up any kind of mini chocolates or candies. I'm planning to put Kisses chocolate in it, so Hershey's Kisses chocolate. So this is this one, and this has ice cream cone and celebrate on it, and it's pink color. I just love this color. So that's that. And the last one is this tag. So I can use this as a card as well, just back it on a A2 size card, but I'm going to use this in my mini album again. I'm going to put a photo mat here. So I have this acetate sheet, and a person can put baby photo in here, like a small one, and it's like dream beautiful. And I have colored this. This is a stamp. It's right here. So I stamped it, I die cut that stamp out, and I colored it with Copic markers. And I actually popped it up and I pasted acetate sheet here. I'm so in love with this one. I hope the recipient loves it too. And so this is my project share, guys. I hope you all are inspired to create something beautiful out of it. Check InLoveArts shop website. I'll link everything in the description box below, and there would be a 15% off discount code as well for you to use it. Do share in the comments which project is your most favorite one. Mine is this Dreamcatcher one. Let's see what you guys share, and we'll come up with the next video soon. Bye for now.